Here is a product from Microelettrica Scientifica. It's a power distribution module that integrates several components to satisfy all the power management functionalities. The design is optimized to keep all the components in the smallest space as possible and with the less weight as possible. There are special functions which are the electronic control of the components. These allow to reduce 70% the number of cables and to provide additional functionalities in terms of diagnostic. So we are fully available to explain you more details or to answer to your question. Think macro, choose micro.